Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy tofu in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch a game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in-game, teleport to this location called Lie Harbor and search for a general goods store, which is right over here. So the store's name is Second Life, and the owner of the store's name is Dongsheng. Go near it and then press F to interact. Now click on the first option, like so. So here are all the goods you can buy in the store, and now search for tofu by scrolling down. Here it is, click on it. As you can see, it can only be found in general goods store in Lie, Inazuma and Sumeru. So to purchase this, just click on the purchase button on the bottom right side of your screen, like so, and select the quantity. As you can see, one tofu is going to cost 90 mora. Click on the purchase button and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!